Moni, what is this? What is this?
It's a crocodile.
Okay. What is this?
It's a giraffe.
What is this?
It's a zebra.
Okay, what is this?
It's the Bagheera.
Bagheera.
Yeah.
Okay, and what is this?
It's an elephant.
Okay, and what is this?
It's a gorilla.
And what is this?
It's a panda.
Good job. And what is this?
It's the tiger.
Good job. And what is this? This one?
It's a whale.
Okay, and what is this?
It's the with this tortoise.
Good job. And what is this?
It's a sail.
Good job, Moni.
The crocodile.
What is this? This one? What is this?
It's the penguins.
Good job.
Penguins. Penguins. I guess.
And what is this, Moni? What is this one?
It's a deer.
What?
Deer.
It's a parrot.
It's a parrot.
Yeah.
Like the back.
Okay, and what is this?
This is the T-Rex.
And what is this one?
It's the pterodactyl.
Huh?
It's pterodactyl.
Good job.